everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So it is the 14th of March. That means either a Vera Bradley or a Kipling review, unboxing, whatever I got for you guys. So if you saw my chit chat from the first, I did give you guys a nice little clue on what I'm going to show you guys. It is a Snoopy product for all of you who like Charlie Brown and Charlie Brown cast and stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And this is an item I didn't even know existed. That's why I'm so enjoying this new thing I'm doing here with my Kiplings and my Vera Bradley, because it's, I don't know how to say this, it makes me do research. It makes me go out there and look for items that I haven't seen. I haven't seen this, so if you have this item, let me know in the bottom, guys. Comment. So this month on the 14th, I'm going to do a Vera Bradley. So on my channel, every 14th, it's either going to be a Kipling or a Vera Bradley. I have designated that day especially for one of the two brands so that I can show you guys something new or review or an unboxing. But we are going to dedicate the 14th from here on. Say that right? Mm-hmm. From here on. Every 14th, it's either a Kipling or a Vera Bradley. So mark it on your calendars and make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification, guys. So what do I have for you guys today? Let me show you my bag first, and then I'll show you the other piece that I've been waiting on. So here's the bag I'm going to show you guys. This is so cute. I hope the camera is doing it justice. It's just a regular Vera Bradley tote bag. Now the coloring on here, if I can read correctly, says ribbons plaid. That's what it's called. It's a new piece I got. I actually got this for the other item I'm going to show you. Look at it. It is so beautiful. I love it. It's soft. It has everything that a Vera Bradley should have. Look at the inside, guys. Here's the tags. It says cotton right here. The tag, it's a recycled cotton. Love it. Look at the inside. It's so unexpected. Black and white. Went in the checkered here, the plaid. Clearly you can see there's pinks, there's greens, there's turquoises. I just love it. I'll bring it closer. It's just a regular tote bag. Let's go inside. And so I got this during my Vera Bradley month, but I was waiting for another item to match with it, and I found one that was used, and I didn't want to buy used because you guys know I like to buy new with tags. So I've been looking for a new with tag of that item, and I found it, and I had to show you guys. But look at how cute this is. So inside here, pocket, 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 3 pockets. On this side we have pocket. We have 2 pencil places right here. Pocket, 2 pencils, and that's it. Well, that's different. But look at the outside, beautiful, inside, stunning. As our Vera Bradley is known for. The quilting, the beautiful coziness. I'm just shoving some back in there so it will stand. It's very important that it stands. And here is the tag if you guys want to close up, freeze, go like that. And you can see it again. It's called just a regular tote bag. And the color on this is ribbons plaid. So beautiful, right? Stunning, right? Now let's take it up a notch. So this is what I'm going to show you guys. Look at this, guys. Do you see it? Do you see it? I have been waiting for this item. A brand new one. As you guys can see, new with tags. I'm going to get in there. And I had to get it, guys. I had to. For my Vera Bradley collection. Please stay. Stay.
Oh, it's not standing up?
Alright, let's put something back. We need you to stand and behave. There you go. There it is down. Look, guys. If you're a Charlie Brown fan, if you love Snoopy, I know a lot of my ladies here do. Look at this, guys. Look. So if you're not new here, you know I collect anything that has to do with my brand as well. You guys can see I have a lot of my Vera Bradley teddy bears up around. Here's a Vera Bradley teddy bear. Look at this, guys. He's a bigger one. Bigger than the teddy bear. Charlie Brown, Snoopy, Vera Bradley, guys. Have you ever seen this in person? I have never seen this. No one has shown this. So it says Vera Bradley Peanut, Sky Sloop, and it's called Sky Sloop Snoopy. And here's the tags, everything new. And on here, of course, he is in the color ribbon plaid to match my bag. Now you know I'm going to put this on display. Even though this is what I'm talking about, what I think of as the greens. It's not really green, but it's going to match. I'm going to put it somewhere up here. I will come closer so you guys can see it close up. Tell me on the bottom, guys, have you ever seen this Snoopy? I had no idea it existed. I am so happy to have found it new with tags. That's what I looked for. I did get it off of eBay. I have a lot of luck on eBay, but then again, I'm on there a lot. So I am constantly on there. Look at this cuteness. Can you believe it? So this is my March Vera Bradley that I want to share with you guys. My Snoopy cuteness and his matching. Of course I buy it separate, but they're from the same collection. The matching tote to go with it. Let me wear my tote and my new shirt. Guys, what do you guys think? I just got this from Ross. I love it. Okay, so here. Look at that. So I'm going to walk around like this outside. You are going to be like, she's lost it. She finally lost it. Yes, I have. Look at it. I love it. There you have it, guys. My Vera Bradley for March. What do you guys think? Let me know on the bottom. Are you enjoying our 14th day of Vera Bradley or Kipling? I guess that was a couple of Vera Bradleys in a row. So I'm probably going to have to do a Kipling. Or am I? We'll see next month what I come up with. And again, if you want to join me here on my 14th day of Vera Bradley or Kipling, everybody is invited. Not sure if Dee Dee's going to join in this month or not. I'm actually taping this a couple of days before, so I haven't gotten in touch with her. If she does join in, of course I will share her video on my community page. Whoever wants to join in for the Kipling or Vera Bradley on the 14th, I will share you guys' video on my community page. Just tag me in there so I will get notified. There it is. What do you think, Robert? Peanuts. Fans. Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and my Vera tote. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next video. We're keeping the greens going. This is a fun month. Thank you all for being here. If you're new here, hit that subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram if you have it. If you don't have it, I know a lot of ladies send messages they don't have it. It's okay. Somebody in your family has it. They could vouch for you. They could say this is I'm so and so's whatever son, you know, stuff like that. Just so I have record of you being there as well. If not, it's okay. Don't worry. You don't have to be. But it'd be nice because I am more active on there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye. Yay.